Hello and welcome back to another TELAIR MyPBX portal tutorial. In this video, we are going to be showing you how to create custom music on hold and playlists. So let's log into our demo. And from the left navigation portal, we're going to go straight to the first option, which is media files. When we click on it, it's going to extend and we're going to hit music on hold. Now from our music on hold, we're going to have a default playlist, which comes with some default music that you will not be able to delete. However, you can specify which is going to be the default. So I'm going to delete this one over here and we're going to start fresh. Different playlists are great because you can assign them in various amounts of ways. You can assign certain playlists and music on hold groups to different phone numbers. So if somebody were to call a certain phone number, you can play different types of music on hold. This is great if you have support and sales groups and you want to hear a certain sales greeting that you've custom recorded, which a commercial type music on hold. And support would have a different type of message being played out to your customer. So this is great that you can specify on a per number basis. So all the phone numbers you have coming in, you can specify how you want that routed. Now you can also specify and assign music on holds to specific users. We talked about that in our video for creating extensions and how to say if this extension calls out, this will be the default music on hold list that it's going to play. So these are very great features that you can do to add different types of music on hold playlists and use them in different ways. Let's go ahead and create a playlist. So the first thing we're going to do is name this playlist. We can call it Sales 2015. So this is going to be my greeting for the sales team. Let's put that in the description. Demo music on hold 2015. It's always good to date it, so when you come back looking at the description for your music on hold files, you will see that in the description that you've put out. The name will always be a single name with no spaces, and that's just for the system and the drop down. So you'll see this name as the option to select in different areas, and we'll go through that shortly and show you where that comes up in. So the default mode and format are automatically set for the best possible system performance and quality. So you don't have to change those. If you're looking for something a little bit less quality or codec specific, you can manage that. However, we always advise to leave it with the default settings. Now the random tab will allow you to randomize music in your playlist, because if you don't have this as randomized, it will play them sequentially as you upload them. And the option flags are different types of flags and parameters that you can put here to customize how these are played. Now these flags are located in our Space Wiki page that you can take a look at and see more in depth. So let's create this page here. So now I'll have this new playlist here. And if I hit this edit button, which is a little pen here, I will see the details that I've put here. I can rename it if I have to. I have the randomize option again if I want to enable it or disable it. And here's where I can enable the files. So if I click choose files, I will get the standard computer view of browsing files, and I can add as many as I want to this list. I'll also have an option to play it. So later on, if I'm coming back to view this playlist of different music, I can just click play right from this screen. It'll play that song, so it'll remind me what's in here. So that is a quick and easy way on how to create a playlist. We can save this playlist, and this sales option will now be available to me. So for example, if I were to associate it to a specific user, I can go into my user extensions. I can edit this user 555, who we talked about as a demo salesperson. We can click on their music on hold and select them to the new Sales 2015 music on hold playlist. So when this user calls out and puts their callers on hold, it will play whatever tracks that are in that file. So that is a great way to customize music on hold per different person, or you can do it based on incoming routes, which we talk about in our tutorial of assigning internal routes and which music to play for it. So that's it for the tutorial on the music on hold. If please feel free to browse our other video tutorials on the left-hand side of the YouTube playlist. And thank you for watching. Have a great day.